Hello guys, touch the leg. I'm Dawa from Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 key principles which are very important in our daily life in order to become a successful person. And those 3 key elements are: first, determination; second, discipline; and the third, consistency. First, you have to be determined about what you are going to do in your life. Whether you want to become a politician, lecturer, philosopher, teacher, barber, shoemaker, whatsoever may be, you have to decide what you want to become in your life. After deciding what you want to become in your life, then you have to make a plan and how you're going to achieve it. And by setting up your plan, it's not just enough to follow it just for several days, just for several weeks. It is not enough, but you have to follow it on a daily basis, and you have to be consistent with your aims and objectives, and you have to follow it thoroughly so that you will become a successful person. So these 3 key elements are very important, so keep in this mind. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.